If you've used Kreinik threads for a while, you remember that there's two spool sizes. A small spool with pop-off ends where you secure the thread, or a large spool. Lately, you may be seeing some other spools, Kreinik threads wound on other spools. Doug's going to tell us a little bit about that. Why is this happening, Doug?
Well, we had a problem with the mold that the small spool is made of. And so we had white spools in our stock, so we used up all of the white spools we had. And then we had a problem with the black spool, and so we used up all the white large spools we had. And so
there's also a plastic shortage.
The plastic shortage, and the cost of plastic went up. So in the midst of this,
so we were using basically any spool we had.
Any spool we had, because people would rather have product than no product.
Right, right.
So in the midst of this, we started working on a new dye, and that first dye didn't work. It had problems. So we have now set up with another company to create a brand new spool. Everything will be on the same size. It will be in black. It will look like this, but in black, and it will have a slit, two slits on the top and two slits on the bottom, so we can put the threads in there. And we'll be able to go back to running our machines automatically instead of hand feeding, because that's the problem we've been having, and that's one of the reasons there's been a slow movement of product coming out of our plant. So
maybe in about 3 months you might start seeing a new spool.
Right, and also there'll be new labels. Up to this point, we've had labels that were different colors for the merchandise, but we bought a new machine that will make things faster, moving things out faster, and it'll also include the UPC code on there.
So the new label will be all white.
All white,
but
all
it'll
the same size.
It'll say what thread size it is, what
Right.
color it is, the amount on it, and it'll also have a UPC code, which is helpful for retailers. So we're working to try to speed things up, try to get threads out to you, and a new spool that's the same size for all threads is going to be faster, and
Right.
it's going to work. So we're looking forward.
We're looking
to it.
forward to that. Yes.
Thanks, Doug.